Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to start with the topic speed with direction. So in the last video I have thought about the speed. What do you mean by speed? Speed is nothing but the total distance covered per unit time. Okay. So velocity is also a speed in the given direction. Speed describes only how fast an object is moving, whereas velocity is given both the speed and direction. Okay, so what is velocity? When we include the direction of the motion with speed, we are talking of physical quantity called velocity. It is nothing but the velocity. Okay, so it is a vector quantity. Velocity is nothing but the vector quantity. Therefore, direction of movement is important. Implies that velocity contains algebraic. So velocity is written as it is calculated as displacement upon time interval. Okay. So to have a constant velocity, an object must have a constant speed and a motion to constant direction. So then it will be calculated as displacement by time taken. Okay. So a body moving from one point to another may change its velocity a number of times. Okay, it may change its velocity number of times, but it will have an average velocity of its journey. Average velocity of a body is defined as the net displacement divided by the total time of travel. It is a vector quantity, so its SI unit is meter per second, and it can be positive, negative, or 0. So it is given by the arithmetic mean of initial velocity and final velocity for the given period of time. So average velocity is calculated as initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. 2 is nothing but the period of time. So mathematically it is written as shown in the figure there. So average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity. And the initial velocity is written in the letter V, and final velocity is written in the V. Initial velocity is written in the U, and final velocity is written in the V. So where AV is average velocity, U is the initial velocity, and V is the final velocity of the object. So speed and velocity have same units, that is meter per second. Okay. So next comes rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity in time in one dimensions. Acceleration is the rate that something speeds up and slows down. Acceleration describes the rate of change of both magnitude and the direction of the velocity. Okay. So during uniform motion, uniform motion is nothing but the object moving in the equal intervals of time, okay, in the equal distance. Okay, straight line with the velocity remains constant with time. In this case, the change in velocity at any time interval is 0. Means there is no change in the velocity. So during non-uniform motion, the velocity changes with time. In this case, the change in velocity at any time interval is not 0. So it may be positive or it may be negative. Okay, so this is about rate of change of velocity. Means rate of change of means it may change its velocity. When it will be in the uniform, it will be same. When it will be in the non-uniform, it may be positive or it may be negative or 0. Okay. So now comes acceleration. Acceleration is a change in velocity of a body per unit time. Okay. Or the rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. So acceleration is written change in velocity divided by the time taken. Okay, if the velocity of a body changes from initial value u to final value v in time taken, then acceleration is written as a is equal to v minus u upon t. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. What do you mean by uniform acceleration? If the change in velocity is equal in equal intervals of time, it is uniform acceleration. What do you mean by non-uniform acceleration? If the change in velocity is unequal in equal intervals of time, it is called as non-uniform acceleration. Okay, so these are the definitions. Okay, so how the acceleration is written? A is equal to v minus u upon t. What is v? V is nothing but the initial velocity. U is final velocity divided by t means time taken. So both are the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Okay. So how acceleration is calculated? Acceleration is calculated change in velocity divided by time taken. Change in velocity divided by time taken. Okay. So this is of rate of change of velocity. What is rate of change of velocity? When the rate of velocity will be changed in uniform as well as non-uniform motion. So that is called as rate of change of velocity. Okay. So next comes graphical representation of motion. Okay. So what is graphical representation? Graphical representation is nothing but the change in the position. Means graph provides some convenient method to present a basic information about a variety of events. For example, in the telecast of a one-day cricket match, vertical bar graphs show the run rate of a team in each over. As you have studied in mathematics, a straight line graph helps in solving a linear equation having two variables. Okay. So describe the motion of an object. We can use the line graphs. Okay. So in this case, line graph shows the dependence of one physical quantities such as distance or velocity on another quantity such as time. Okay. So this is all about graphical representation of motion. Just I have introduced the graphical representation of motion. In the next video, I am going to show the graphical representation of the motion. Okay, in each case. So many times we have distance time graph, velocity time graph, and equations of graphical method also we have. Equations for velocity time graph we have. So many we have. In the next video, I'm going to start with that. Okay, thank you.